ask
situation in the
Dr.
country in the
Gupta,
first week of January 2021,
surely
the kind of chaos we were in.
this must mean something for all the medical workers, the medical fraternity, because you guys, and I tweeted this yesterday, you guys are the true heroes, the real saviors of India. So after this year and a half long battle that you've had, many of you have not seen your families for months on end, at least isn't there some quiet satisfaction that we've got to a place where we can say 100 crore doses, of which a large proportion is first doses, a good proportion is also second doses. We've got to a place where we can be relatively satisfied that yes, with a country of such a large population, we have got here.
Yes, I must agree with you, and I must join the fellow citizens as well as the Prime Minister of the country in congratulating healthcare workers and scientists in accomplishing this feat. This gives me some kind of satisfaction. On the other hand, as a doctor and as a citizen also, there are certain facts which make me some bit uncomfortable as well. Now, there's been pointed out that almost 80% of the population yet to be fully vaccinated. That is one of the areas of concern for as a doctor for me. Secondly, our target is to vaccinate 188 crore people by the end of this year. Now, we hit peak around mid-September when we were vaccinating almost 70 lakh a day. Now, in the last week or so, it has come down to 40 lakh people a day. Now, at this rate, we will not be able to vaccinate more than 125 crore people by the end of this year. So that is again a cause of concern for me because there is a huge gap again. And one thing is one major issue which has not been really in the focus, and government must look into that almost 10 crore people haven't got the second vaccination yet, though their date has gone.
Okay.
So the government must make them aware the second dose time has come, and unless you get both the doses, you are not safe. So government must once again get to the full drive and again appeal to people and make all the effort to see the people this huge gap is somewhere fulfilled.
Okay, I think that's a fair point. Just one small correction. It's 188 crore doses, yes, if you include both first and second dose. Yes. In terms of number of people, it will be 94 crore. But let me go to Dr. Jain. Dr. Jain, one of the points that Dr. Gupta just made, because we have seen, at least for the last 4-5 months, relatively smooth, vaccination across the country. People are getting access to it, whether it's private hospitals, whether it's government hospitals. Certainly since about June, things have gone on smoothly. Supply issues have been addressed to a great extent. Is there now, do you feel, some creeping sense of complacency? People either refusing to take the second dose or people not following COVID-appropriate behavior when we go out into the markets, etc. How much of a worry is that for healthcare workers like yourself?
Jaka, first of all, I would like to congratulate the 130 crore of population of my country that this is a remarkable achievement. 100 crore vaccination in 275 days, 27 lakh vaccination per day. It is a remarkable achievement, first thing. Second thing, we have to understand when oxygen crisis is there, we blame Modi ji. When migrant labor crisis is there, we blame Modi ji. When success of vaccination is there, we should definitely give the credit to the Modi ji. It does not matter who is the Prime Minister. If tomorrow Kejriwal ji is the Prime Minister or Rahul Gandhi ji is the Prime Minister, he will take the credit of the good thing, first thing. Second thing, what you have talked of the relentlessness of the vaccination. Definitely yes, since now the number has gone down, our number is less than 15,000 per day of the COVID cases. Public is little bit casual. Like Arun Gupta sir has said, we should not be the casual, and it is very much premature to celebrate it. It is very much true that only 70% population is singly vaccinated. And we have to understand one more thing, that vaccination is not to prevent the disease.
Yeah.
Vaccination is to prevent the hospitalization, vaccination is to prevent the ICU death, and vaccination is prevent to mortality. So even if 70% population is singly vaccinated, the data says that hospital death is less than 95%, even if you are singly vaccinated. Second, we have to understand it. If tomorrow one new emergent variant comes in COVID-19, then again we are at the back stage, because only the best vaccine to protect yourself from the COVID is your mask, your distancing, and sanitization, hand washing regularly. We have already seen that festive season is coming up. The government should be strict and government should ask the people to follow the protocol very sincerely. And like Dr. Arun Gupta sir has said, public is not taking the second dose. It is very much true. We are managing a hospital. We try to convince the public that you must go for the second dose. Then only it might be possible that you might require booster dose of third dose also.
Okay.
The government should make all the effort to make the public aware to go for the complete vaccination.
Let me go back to Swati Malik.